Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. It's kind of stuff like this kind of blows me away on something that looks like it would have been hard to draw, and it's so easy. I'm going to hit P, put that circle in the center of the page. I'm going to draw an ellipse. I'm going to make it black, and I'm going to take away the outline, and I'm going to move it to the edge. I'm going to play it the way I normally do it. I want it dead center. Doesn't really matter, but I'm going to hit T. And I really don't have to put it on that line, but I want it on that line. And so if I hold down the control button, it'll be perfect. Now I'm going to control D, alternate C, and all that did was make it rotate from the center of the, well, you know what, maybe that's what I did. I hit that. So control D, alternate C, make it rotate from the center and rotate it like 10 degrees. And then just rotate it all the way around. This would be a good one to use for the transformation docker. Then just take your line away. I don't know why Corel started doing that. And group these together so it's one group. Look, we have 36 objects, it's telling you down there. So I'm going to go object, group, and group, or control G. Then I'm going to get the Distort tool, and I'm going to pick this one right here, which is called Twister. And then I'm just going to put one click of complete rotation. It's asked me a question. Don't show this again. And look at that. And then you can make it any color you want. Let's make it white. You can make it any color you want because you're not having to do anything. Now that I gave it a white outline, but that really shows off. And it's still a group. And I guess you could still play with it more, but I wouldn't play with it because it came out perfect. See, now it's not as far apart. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea. If you ever need a look like that, I don't know why you would or what you would be drawing. But if you were just encompassing text around a black t-shirt and you wanted something just to make it pop. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.